Tissue engineering in synthetic biology is a multidisciplinary field that combines biological knowledge with engineering principles to create or repair human tissues. Here's an extensive explanation. 1. Engineering biological tissues. Synthetic biology approaches tissue engineering by designing and constructing biological tissues in the lab. This involves using cells, scaffolds, and growth factors to create tissues that can mimic the structure and function of natural tissues. Number 2. Scaffolds and matrices. A key component is the scaffold, which provides a three-dimensional structure for cells to attach and grow. These scaffolds can be made from various materials, including biodegradable polymers or natural substances like collagen. 3. Cellular engineering. Cells used in tissue engineering can be genetically modified to enhance their growth, survival, or function. Synthetic biology techniques enable precise control over these genetic modifications. 4. Organ regeneration. The ultimate goal is to regenerate whole organs from individual cells. This involves complex patterning, differentiation, and morphogenesis processes that synthetic biology aims to replicate and control. 5. Integration with prosthetics. Synthetic biology can also contribute to the development of tissues that interface with electromechanical devices, creating a seamless connection between the biological and the artificial. 6. Custom tissue structures. Beyond replicating natural tissues, synthetic biology allows for the creation of custom tissues with unique properties or functions that could be used in various medical applications. Number 7. Ethical and safety considerations. As with any technology that manipulates life at a fundamental level, tissue engineering in synthetic biology is subject to ethical considerations and rigorous safety evaluations. Tissue engineering in synthetic biology is about creating living, functional tissues through a combination of biological components and engineering techniques. It's a promising area that could lead to significant advancements in medical treatments and organ replacement.